From the tally of arrested Aam Aadmi Party MLAs in various cases, some of them have been released by the police to 13. Moving on, as Kashmir simmers, the BJP has made a shocking U-turn on terror, suddenly towing Mehbooba Mufti's line on Hizbul terrorist Burhan Wani. Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister Nirmal Singh has called Burhan Wani's killing an accident. This comes as a surprise, pointing to a clear split within the BJP on Mehbooba's pro-Wani tilt. However, asserting that he never called Burhan Wani's death in the encounter an accident. The Deputy Chief Minister Nirmal Singh later made a U-turn once again and stated he only meant it was a routine operation.
पता हो सकता है कि आप हर एनकाउंटर के बारे में जो मेरी मालूमात है, जो मैंने पुलिस से बात की, आर्मी से बात की, उनका ये कहना है कि हमें ये मालूम था 3 मिलिटेंट वहाँ है, पर ये मालूम नहीं था कौन कौन है वहाँ पर, इसलिए मैं उनकी बात पे क्या कह सकती हूँ.
The statement of the Deputy Chief Minister is very shameful and condemnable. It is highly objectionable that he has said that the Burhan Wani has been an accidental killing, and he has told the line of Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti, who had said that Burhan Wani's killing was an accidental killing, and had it been known, he could have been given another chance, and the sacrifices of youth would not go waste. What kind of message this government signals this government is giving in Jammu and Kashmir and the rest of the country, when which BJP is a partner? BJP is answerable to the nation and the state.
Across to my colleague Ashraf Wani for more on this story. He's joining us from Srinagar. Ashraf, it's surprising. The BJP, though, are in coalition with the PDP in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, but they have somehow tried to maintain some sort of a distance as far as the PDP's line or the Chief Minister's line on Burhan Wani or separate is concerned. With Nirmal Singh now speaking in the almost the same tone as the Chief Minister, how has the state BJP, PDP and also the people taken this?
Ankit, basically the government is confused. They were not expecting this kind of resistance and this kind of unrest across the Kashmir Valley. Now it is the 23rd day. Still, government is completely unable to curb the situation across the Kashmir Valley. We have reports of violence yesterday in the South Kashmir, in which 3 people got the bullet injuries, including a woman. And also even today, now the separatists have also extended the strike call in the Kashmir Valley till 5th of August. So this means it is a very hard time for the state government, particularly for the Mehbooba Mufti. So Mehbooba Mufti in her statement tried to just calm the situation and said that she was not aware that in that encounter Burhan Wani was, otherwise there might have been given another chance to the militant commander Burhan Wani. But when BJP tried to just take the same line as the Chief Minister took, it was a very tough situation for the state BJP, as already Home Minister himself, Rajnath Singh, said that he was not expecting this kind of statement from Mehbooba Mufti, and probably her statement was taken in the wrong way. So here it is completely now a kind of division between the two partners of state government, BJP and PDP. And if we see for the last almost 3 weeks, now PDP is very rapidly losing the ground in the Kashmir Valley, which is concerning for the Mehbooba Mufti. That is why she is desperate. Probably this is increasing the gap between PDP and BJP in the state.
Desperate attempts being made there by Mehbooba Mufti, and Nirmal Singh after that statement is certainly going to feel the heat as far as